In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can change your interface scaling in Adobe InDesign. So in Adobe InDesign, you have your interface scaling, your text, your menus, and all those things. And you can change that if you want to. To do so, go to Edit, and in Edit we're going to go to Preferences, and Preferences we're going to choose User Interface Scaling. Now here in the User Interface Scaling, you have the UI sizing, which you can change. And this one changes the size of the tools, the text, and the other UI elements, and it adapts to your current screen resolution. So this also depends on the type of screen and the screen resolution you're using. And you can choose to change or to scale your cursor proportionately or not. You can also change the display size of your anchor points, your handles, and your bounding box to another size if you want to. And then you can see here that it says that the changes will take effect the next time you start InDesign. So when I now press OK, it will ask me if I want to restart. So let's do that. And now InDesign has restarted. As you can see, my UI is a bit smaller and it has scaled my cursor proportionately. And if I now make a square, it will also have changed my bounding box because I asked it to do so. It also changed these handles here. But that's an easy way how you can change your UI scaling and your bounding box anchor point scaling in Adobe InDesign. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.